Good evening, everyone. I am just Jan Biglantang, sir. I am from BIT 1C, and my topic for today is all about DC motors and generators powering our world. So, a consensus visual guide to the physics, construction, or operation and application of DC machines. So, this deck explains that electromagnetic principles that lead DC motors convert electricity into motion, how DC generators produce electricity from mechanical input, real-world uses, and emerging innovation shaping the future of DC machine technology. So, understanding the basic principles. So, sir, nilagay ko na dito ang aking mga nalaman. So, understanding the basic principles of electromagnetism. So, at the core of both DC motors and generators are three fundamental concepts. So, first, we have magnetic field. So, it produced by permanent magnets or current carrying coils. So, they provide the directional forces on charges and conductors. So, uh, next, we have Lorentz first. So, a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field experience a force of F equals IL times B, producing torque in motors and mechanical load in generators. So, next is we have electromagnetic induction. So, a conductor moving through a magnetic field induces an EMF or Faraday's law, so which is the operating principle of generators, and the back EMF that limits motor speed. So, the interplay of flux, current, and motion determines performance metrics such as torque, speed, voltage, and efficiency. So, DC motors, how they convert electrical to mechanical energy. So, DC motors transform electrical power into mechanical torque through controlled interactions between current and magnetic field. So, this is the key operating details. So, first we have commutation. So, brush motors. So, mechanical commutators reverse armature current each half turn, so torque remains unidirectional. So, brushes conduct current to the rotating commutator segment. So, next we have field sources, and lastly we have performance curve. So, DC generators creating electrical power from mechanical motion. So, we have first, we have prime mover input. So, mechanical energy, turbine, engine, or motor turns the rotor or armature that carries conductors through field flux. Next, we have induced EMF and commutation. So, conductors cut magnetic flux, inducing an alternating EMF that commutator rectifies into a DC output. Brushes collect current to the external circuit. Uh, Lastly, we have excitation and voltage control. So, field excitation, separately excited, shunt, series, or compound. So, controls output voltage, stability, and response to load changes. Where you'll find DC machines. So, makikita mo ang DC machines everywhere. Example dyan is transportation, nandyan yan. Industrial drives, sa mga construction, makita nimo na. Power generation and backup. So, more on makita nimo siya sa AC, alternating current. So, lastly, we have laboratory and robotics. Next, future innovation and Q&A. So, advanced materials. So, high performance magnetic power materials and lightweight uh, composites increase power density and reduce losses. So, next, power electronics. So, wider adoption of silicon carbide or SiC and gallium nitride. Next, we have sensorless control and EI. And lastly, we have electrification trends. So, that's all, sir. I'm just Jan Biglantang, and this is my topic.